What's up, everyone? Today's video is going to be not my real video. I mean, it is my real video, but it's not really for me or the Camaro or anything like that. We're going to be installing this air intake on that Mustang. It's a 5.0 Mustang, in case you were wondering. Got this from American Muscle, in case you were wondering. And that way, we can go ahead and hit some crowds. Hell yeah! Now let's go ahead and put this intake together. So we got all the pieces and hardware here for it, as you can see. And we're first going to start off by putting this over top of the air filter. I don't know if you can see that from there. Yeah, I'm sure you can. That way, when you go to install what's going to hold your mass airflow sensor, you're going to already have this there. Some jackwads put it all together and then like, wait, I can't tighten it up. So there you go. Make sure you install that first, and then you go ahead and put on your mass airflow sensor. Perfect. Now, with that installed, you're going to put on this big bad boy rubber and two of your clips. I mean, not clips, clamps to hold it. We're going to install the intake tubing onto the end of that mass airflow sensor housing. Yeah, nice and tight, baby.
Oh, you know what? We should loosen it.
Idiots, we tightened it too much. Idiots, I tell ya. Now she's in, just line it up, make sure it's pretty straight. You might have to adjust a little bit once you get it on the car. Of course, we're doing this all pre-hand off the car, and then we're gonna stick it on the car afterwards. This is our reference picture, thanks to American Muscle. Appreciate it. Silicone adapter is going to go into that. Just like so. We're going to wait till we get it on the car. First we got to take everything off the car. So let's meet up over there. When in doubt, flat tip it out, baby. There she goes! Gone for good. That one's loose enough. I got it. That's already done, dude. I already loosened it, I already moved it around the whole thing. You're good, man. You're good. No, don't take this upward from like upward. Make sure you're careful with that. That's your mass airflow sensor. You don't want to get it all messed up and nasty. I think it's a camera. You gotta pull this clip off. Like pulls out, you know, use the front. Oh, are you kidding me? I broke your clip, bro. This is what I do. You gotta just pull out the inside, but don't pull it out too far. As you notice, I just broke it. See? That's how it is. You just pull out the center clip and then it pulls out the whole thing. I'm not breaking the clip. Finally got that old one out now. Look at that, look at all that room in there. Well, we got the intake pipe now. Now we got this bottom. Alright, now we're going to install the intake onto the car. We got the bottom box already out. That's out the way. I didn't feel like to really record the whole thing. It's not that much, it's not that hard. A couple 10mm bolts. If you can't do that, then step away from your car and give the keys to me. I'll take it over for you. You want to make sure you put it on the throttle body first.
Make sure that it's all the way on, too.
Butt it all the way up. Go ahead and reinstall your mass airflow sensor. Make sure you don't get it dirty. If you do, gently wipe it off. Be very careful though.
I think this needs to be turned up.
Cool beans.
Tighten that one up.
It should just sit there because it's pretty tight to the vent, you know? I don't think.
Let's do the part about the 10, because this one requires a 10.
Have patience while tuning your car. Comes in handy. Or find something else to do.
It's not a very fun process.
Zero fun.
And it's done, and you can turn your car on.
There you go. There you go, that's how to install your air intake for your 5.0 Mustang. All you need is a few $100 and an hour or two maybe, depends if you lose any tools. And maybe a friend to help, a light man, depending upon if you're doing it in the dark. This is all the time us working folk have, is to do stuff in the dark. It's about 10 o'clock, but hey, my neighbors probably hate me. That's performance part number 1 of many more to come for this 2016 5.0 GT. This intake kit also comes with this heat shield. We're rebels and decided not to use it though. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, check them out. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Till next time, peace.